2 days ago I found this, my old finger skateboard. This one is at least 10 years old, but today I will print a brand new one with my 3D printer. And also a skate park to perform some mini skateboard tricks. So let's head over to Fusion to 3D model our own mini skateboard. So here is my finished mini skateboard, and you can print it at one piece because the wheels are already in position, but they are not connected to the board, so they can rotate freely. So let's get now to Cura to see how long it will print. I'm in Cura now. Finally it will take 2 hours, that's not too long. So let's turn on the printer and print the skateboard out. Here it is, our printed skateboard. The wheels are turning, so it's perfect to use it later on in our skate park. Alright, so to test our mini skateboard by heart, we also need a skate park to perform some amazing tricks. So let's build a skate park for our own printed skateboard. Okay, here is our finished skate park. You can see I included some different elements to do different stunts, and you can rearrange all the parts as you wish. So let's get now to Cura to see how long this will take to print, and after that we are ready to print it out. So this is Cura. At the bottom you can see the spots where the parts will be connected to each other, and the overall printing time will be 13 hours and 47 minutes. So let's start to print right now, so we are finished tomorrow morning. This is it. It looks really amazing. And the best thing about the connection system is you can print the parts multiple times out. That means you can rebuild it as big as you want. Let's try it out with the snowboard. Ah yes, it feels really smooth. Okay, so the best way to use this is to fix it with some stickers. So just grab some stickers and fix it on your table. Okay, so let's rebuild now the skate park. So I will just remove the sticker and remove this part. And I also remove this sticker at the side. So it's very easy. Now I have like a very long ramp, both sides. And then on one side, I will just do the orange ramp as well. And now we can skate again. Yes, you can see the only problem is I'm really bad at finger skateboard. I think it needs a lot of training. I definitely prefer the snowboard above the skateboard because it's way easier. Tony Hawk. Now with two. Whoa! Whoa! Now I'm jumping over the skateboard. Now watch. Oh, skiller. Okay, let's do it again. Is this cool? Is this a trick? I don't know. If you're interested to print this out yourself, go watch the description. There's a link to my website where you can download the whole skateboard bundle. And the best thing is that you can personalize your skating track. You can choose which obstacles you want to print and how you want to arrange them. So check the link in the description. Here the stunt of the day. Whoa. So this is the whole process to 3D print a homemade finger skateboard park. I think it turned out really amazing. Like, comment and subscribe of course, and then we can see each other in the next video.